So guys, for the first method, you want to find your file, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties. And now if you look in the bottom, it may be saying security. If it says unblock for you, you want to tick unblock and then click on OK. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, my file is a Word program. So now I'm going to head over to search and type in Word. Click on it. And you could also type in any other Microsoft Office application. It will still work for that as well. And now once you're on this, you want to click on options. And then you want to click on Trust Center. And then you want to click on Trust Center settings. And then you want to click on Protected View. Now you want to temporarily disable all of this. And then click on OK. And then open up your file. But make sure that your file is actually safe. If it's not safe or you don't know about the file, then don't open it. But if you know about the file and you know that it's safe, you want to untick all of this, click on OK, and then you can open up the file. Once you open it up and you do whatever you want to do with it, go back to here, go back to Protected View, and then you want to tick all of this, and then click on OK. See if that works for you.